Hello guys, I recently had a problem with this laptop, this detachable tablet, and the model would be this one. Let me just focus on it. Here you can see the model number. That's 10/N103NG. So the problem was that my sound didn't work anymore, and here at the bottom there was an X and I couldn't set the volume and anything. I tried everything I saw on the internet and nothing helped me, and I finally found this solution. What you want to do is go to this website. This is the HP So this is the HP website. This is the official website. You wanna search exactly for this link over here, and what I did, I followed these two first steps over here, because after I have made step 2, my sound was working. So you have to first update your BIOS and then install this pack. I'll just show you. That's this one over here. Now while installing this pack, I have noticed that my laptop stopped installing. It hung up at about 75%, but then I have just restarted the laptop and the sound was working, so I didn't care anymore about that. Now as you can see here, these are the models for which is going to work. Your model should be 10/N10, and mine was 103. So I think it will work with every of these models. Just install the drivers, and I hope you will fix your problem. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.